What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We're back for another video. Black Friday weekend, so of course I gotta visit one of my favorite malls, Culver City, Westfield Culver City, aka Fox Hills Malls. Let's go check it out. All right, I had to sit right here to watch the USA game. I watched the second half right here. I watched the first half elsewhere. All right, let's go check out Shiekh. Let's see what they got. Let's see what's up, man. Man, they blasting the music loud as hell here, man. What the hell? Well, they do got some, I don't know, restock, some newly delivered stuff, I guess. The hell did they get these, man? I haven't even seen these in forever. The Jordan 3 animal print 2.0s. Yeah, I haven't seen these in forever. So got these. They got the grade school for retail. Forces. They got Forces. And do got the 7s, the Flint 7s. I guess they just got a few restocks, I guess, huh? Okay. Got these. They sold out, and then I guess they just got some more because they just came here last week, right? Came in last week. I don't know why I keep asking you guys, like you guys know when I came in. But yeah, you got the Dunks. You got, is this women's white and sale. That's pretty dope. This women's, what is this? I think this is a women's 7.5. And then also got these as well. Okay, not bad. What are these? What the hell? Like trying to make it like you're walking on pillows? Like zero grip. Zero grip. These are trippy. What the hell are these? Wild Divas Lounge? I've never seen these before. At least they're like different than all the other EVA foam slides and stuff like that. This is just a knockoff of Crocs. Come on now, dude, seriously. But at least all these other things are different. That's definitely interesting. What are the price of these? I've never seen these. $25. Oh, okay, so they're super affordable. $25, not bad. Then they do have some clearance items. 50% off all the markdown prices. That is pretty freaking fire. You got t-shirts for like $12.50. All these are listed as $25. So yeah, so $12.50 for a bunch of Nike t-shirts. These hoodies, $65. You did get 50% off. Oh no, $50. These are go for $50 to get 50% off. So $25 for those. Nike Air one right there. Looking for just a black one. Don't see any. You have a Nike Day ones as well. I believe all this is, yep. Normally 100 down to 75, another 50, so $37.50. Does include these jerseys if y'all into Kyrie. Well, not everybody is, but some people still are. Whatever, whatever you want. Don't let everybody else persuade you into what you're into. That's just my opinion. It is what it is. But yeah, large right here. They got extra small as well. These are down to 75, and then you get 50 off, so $37.50. $37.50, and these are large, extra small, and oh yeah, all largest. We got LeBron James jerseys too on sale. That's a surprise. $80, so $40 LeBron jerseys. Really, $40? They got medium, large, XL. No, medium and double XL. That's it. Oh, no, we got large, we got medium. Okay, we got a few sizes. Should I post this on, should I do shorts? Because that's hella cheap. Got some basketball shorts. So I need to go to the strip clubs. I'm sorry, gentlemen's club. If you guys need to go to the gentlemen's club, do got some basketball shorts. Some thin basketball shorts, $30. Do get 50% off, so $15, dude. Holy crap. They got a few sizes. You know what? Like, I don't even know how long these deals are gonna be. This is actually the clearance, so I think this is gonna be here for a while. So hopefully this is up, dude. You got these Nike shorts. They are, holy crap, they go for $10, dude. $10. They're $20 plus 50% off. Holy crap. They have the size I need. Holy crap. Might as well just. Oh, but they're on the knees. I'm thinking about for the nephews, and them fools like those high ones nowadays. The high school kids nowadays. What the hell is that about? Oh, that's weird. A couple of large fleece shorts right here. These are pretty dope. $35, so $17.50 for those. Pretty decent discounts. I think this corner right here is on discount as well. I think he said 50% off all this stuff. I talked to a couple of workers. I think they said 50% off, but they're all listed as regular price. So, but 50% still not too bad. 60, so they're all $30 a piece, I believe. And then these as well. That's kind of weird though, but all right. And then all their sales stuff, all their sales clothing, all their sales apparel, 50% off. I think it's 30% off all the non-sale stuff. So all this stuff is 30% off. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is 50% off, 65, and then damn, that's dope. $1.20. So that's 50% off of that. That's cool. But that I think that's only double XL. Though. That's it. The the UNLV stuff right here. Oh, sorry about that. UNLV stuff right here, $60. $60 you get 50% off of that because it is orange tagged. Then this Lakers, Wild Lakers one right here. Is this one on sale as well? Because if it is, 50% off, 50% off. Pretty fire. Wait, where is it? Yeah, 50 bucks right here. Okay. I think this was on sale too. Yeah, this was on sale at the website. So 100 bucks. This is $50. 50 bucks for this. This is so freaking fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Then all this stuff not on sale. So I think these are all 30% off. Yeah, 125. So 30% off. This one is fire, dude. This is fire. Yeah, 175 for these. I always love the UNC stuff. Got all the patches and stuff as well. These are freaking dope. Got the Obsidian colorway as well. Fire. And then Jordan section. I don't even think we checked out Jordan section. So it is 20% off. Already reduced price. So stuff on sale is 20% off. But sneaker wise, I think it's just regular price for the regular price items. I got the 11 low IEs. You got the 14s right here, 7s, the Afro Beats. You got the Midnight Navy 6s, mids. Got the 3s right there. Couple of lows. Go for regular price. 110 each for those, mid. And then a couple more mids. That's pretty much about it. I guess women's apparel 30% off, and then there are even sales items sprinkled in between. So those are all 50% off and stuff. Plenty here, you guys. Plenty here. All right, let's move on to the next shop. Let's go. They got all the World Cup scores. That's pretty dope. Qatar got knocked out. All right, let's go. 40% off store wide. All right, let's look around, dude. Let's look around. So the only exclusion, World Cup jerseys. That's the only thing that's not 40% off. But we're here to check out the sneakers right here. See what's going on here. Ultra Boost for 100. So the 132, and then you get another 40% off of that. Wow. See a couple of them right here. 132, and you do get that 40 off. And I don't know what the price of this is like. All right, it's on sale though. And then these all go to 190, the classic ones, $180. And all these do get 40% off, so it's still like around 100 bucks, right? So they have a few other things that are excluded, but it's explicitly noted on it. But like this one looks like it's not excluded. Oh no, this is pretty dope. It's out of suede material. Never seen Sambas made out of suede like that. Pretty fire. 100. Guess it's 60 bucks. Superstars. You rarely ever see all the superstars on sale. Pretty fire. The forums right here. Forum highs. Forum lows. These are the 84 lows, I believe. The Forum 84s. And these got that way better leather. Huge fan of these. As opposed to these regular ones. Actually, this one's actually not that bad. This one's not bad. It has a tumbled leather on it. It's these that I'm not into. Like you look at this, super nice. You look at this, super, not nice. Yeah, these are fire, dude. 100 bucks for these, 130 for these. My bad. These are 90, so you do pay that extra premium. I don't think I've ever seen these. The Form Low Classics, they look like, and some regular ones right here. And they even got the foam thingies. And these, the Trae Young 2s, these are excluded right here. But the Dames, these aren't excluded, $130 for these. Donovan Mitchell's, the newest ones, those are excluded, but okay, these are cool. Got a couple colorways of the Dame 8s. And $120, you get 40 off, not bad. Then the World Cup stuff, they are excluded. These are pretty cool. These are pretty cool. Got, oh, I thought they were metal aglets right there. No, they're not. And got the Brazil one. This doesn't have any Brazil on it, but the colors, right? Oh. So those other Ultra Boosts we saw, I think those are the women's. These are the same price, $133, $133. And yeah, these don't have the extra. Oh yeah, $133, $133, and then you get that 40% off, man. Not bad, not bad. Apparently they're hiring too. If you're an Adidas fan, they're hiring. All right, on to the next spot. Next stop, Foot Locker. This is one of the nicer ones. Now it's legit. All right, let's go look around. PSG 5s, are those still around? Are those still at different spots? I guess so. Dunks, we've seen these everywhere. Lows, highs. There aren't too many spots that still have these. 5s. Still got the 27s right there. Still got the 37s. Wow, these are getting slashed. The LeBron 3 barbershops. That's crazy, dude. That's cheap as the clearance store. Cheaper than some of the outlets. Holy crap. All the LeBrons on sale. We've been seeing them priced hella cheap. Yep, $100, $100. I'm 99% sure there's $100 too. As with all these. Except this one. What's up with that one? How come that one's on sale? Even got the 20s right here as well. That's what surprised me right there. Wow, $100 for those. I like those. I like them a lot. See a ton of sales tags. Stuff that we've seen at most other spots, to be honest, though. Looking for some blazers on sale. Not seeing any blazers. No. All right, let's go on to the next spot. Do got JD Sports right here. Got all kinds of sale signs. Let's find out. Mall is packed. They got some Dunks right there. We've seen those. And we've seen these as well. So nothing too crazy so far. Got their Tims on sale. These are heavy as hell. This is like the premium Tims right here. Man, I don't know like the names and stuff. I don't really know Tims like that. These also on sale as well. Oh, that's a way bigger sale. Okay. I don't know about that stuff right there, that plaid stuff. Then also got some blazers. This with crack leather. Yeah, that is. Kind of the same stuff we saw at the other JDs, to be really honest. Do got some of the Mitchell & Ness gear on sale. $55. Decent sale, but not too crazy. The cool thing about this is you could use your status points, get that $20 gift card or $20 coupon or whatever. Use that. That's pretty cool because I'd bring that down to $35. That would make it worth it. $85 down to $55. It's a little bit of a sale, nothing crazy. Y'all remember me getting this one? I think I paid $12. Of course, most people don't hit up 75 outlets a week like I do. Got Ultra Boost deals here too, but not as good as the. Oh shoot! Not as good as. Oh, I just bent that. All right, not as good as the one that in the Adidas. So not too many J's. All right, let's go. On to the next spot. Couple videos ago I did show they had the ugly sweaters there. 25% off. 25% off. That's actually pretty dope. All right, on to the next one. I'm not gonna show you guys again because we already saw them last video. And I was just here, what, a week ago? And then we gotta check Flex Store number 2. Deals have been kind of mediocre, but of course we still gotta check. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do here. Oh, we got stuff on sale. LeBron's, Kyrie's. The up-tempos. It feels like it's all stuff that I've seen just recently, earlier this morning. Kyrie's down to $70. Yeah, that's about it, dude. How many denim sneakers have they been making lately? I feel like they've been making so many denim sneakers. I've never seen one person rock them. Never seen one person wear denim sneakers. I don't know, I'm so whatever with denim. But they still keep coming up with them. That's just funny. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen one of these in forever. Is this a return? But how would they return it? Because these have been out, like, they haven't been out for a while. So how would they return it? That's crazy. I guess it's just a random restock. Extra random. Okay, okay. I got some 12s there as well. I guess we'll cover the Jordans. Still got these and these. Women's section. I feel like the women's section has had better deals lately. You know, 97, you really can't go wrong with those. And then, of course, some more denim shoes. Some more denim sneakers, 185. Do got some university blue ones. Not really, not really. All right, man. The mall is way more packed than the Nike outlets. This mall's the only packed mall that I've been to. I've been to a few other stores and none of them were packed. But I'm not seeing like the crazy deals. Like the Foot Locker brand or Locker brand, I think. East Bay stuff right here. They got sweats for like $10. That's kind of a deal. But haven't really found much else, dude. Haven't really found much else. I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Not the craziest. I think the Shiekh by far had the best deals. But the Shiekh did have the best deals. And that's probably why they were the most crowded. I didn't shoot the crowd and stuff like that. Like, Shiekh was by far the most crowded. All the other shops kind of ran the same deals that they've had for the last week, just kind of getting rid of stuff. Shiekh really looked like they were getting rid of stuff. They had the same deals online. I noticed that online they had, what, 50% off the sale items, 30% off clothing. They also had 20% off sale sneakers. So that, you know, pretty decent. I did look online. I've been buying stuff on their website the last couple weeks. I bought a few things. I don't know if I showed them, but I bought a few things because they've had some steals. They really have. So, but yeah, that's kind of how Black Friday works. Some places they're gonna have great deals, some places they're not. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna go to a couple more spots because I need to do some Christmas shopping, and this is my one day to do some Christmas. And I also have to get you guys videos, so that's pretty dope. I'm gonna hit up a couple more Nike outlets because the Nike outlets have a little better deals. So hopefully you guys have caught on because I've even posted stuff in the shorts. I've posted stuff on my videos. I hope you guys are catching on. But maybe I might make another video. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos. And apparently I can talk pretty fast. but yeah, I got plenty of videos coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Holiday time's definitely a double-edged sword because, you know, YouTube ad money, all that stuff goes up. But look at the crowds, man. I have to fight the crowds. Look at the parking here. Look at this, man. Look, everybody's just looking for park. Oh my God, everything takes so much longer. Driving around places, man. But it is what it is. All right, see you guys. Let's check out the Black Friday deals at Shiekh. Sale items, 50% off apparel. 50% off apparel, so $30 for those. Even the Lakers one, this is kind of wild though, but $25, 50 minus 50%. Even the Shaquille jersey, 120, 50 off, so it's at $65. They only have the double XL though. And even the Lasorda jerseys, I am such a fan of these. I don't even watch baseball, but gotta love the Dodger stuff. $50, $50. And you got LeBron jerseys going for dirt cheap. Got mediums. They had larges earlier. They sold out. Double XL. And then, double XLs. Yeah, the larges are gone. $80. Look at that. 50% off. And then you got Kyrie Irving jerseys. You know, and those are going for $75.